In this video, I will show you how to find hidden photos and videos on iPhone. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to find out all of your hidden photos and videos. First of all, go to your iPhone Photos app and here scroll down until you see Utilities. Under Utilities, you will find this hidden album. Just tap on that. And under hidden album, you will find all of your hidden photos and videos. To unhide any of them, just open the photo or video and to unhide any of them, tap on select and select the photo or video. Tap on this three dot, tap on unhide to unhide any of them. And under utilities, if you don't see this hidden album, to fix this problem, go to your iPhone settings app and from your iPhone settings app, scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on apps. And here scroll down and search for Photos app. Tap on Photos. And here you will find this Show Hidden Album. So if you see this Show Hidden Album option is disabled, you have to enable this option. And then relaunch your Photos app and scroll down, and now you will see the hidden album under utilities. So that's how we can find our hidden photos and videos. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.